What's going on? Welcome back to Smokey Films episode something. Just a little vlog of digging through this hellhole.
Shit. I'm Aaron. Welcome to Smokey Films. Today we are going to be just fixing up some parts on our cars, the S15 and the R33. I've got some side skirts I'm putting on the 15. We're going to paint them today. Going to paint the wing. First we're going to find the side skirts. So.
And I want to re-fiberglass this. Pull this off, re-fiberglass and repaint. Yeah. Just making them look a little bit more tidy. All this paint's chipping off, no good. So, but we can't really find much in this.
This is all car parts. It's got fucking boost controller and shit.
Have you found it?
Yeah.
Happy dance? Let's grab that.
Oh, these are for an S14. It literally says it on it. They're not going to fit. No, I'm kidding.
There's it reckons primer, but these things are cool. They're gonna need a little bit of TLC.
Look at that.
What is that?
Jesse and I are on our way to Super Cheap Auto. We're gonna grab some paint for this car, so I can paint the side skirts sitting here, and then we're gonna go to Bunnings, grab some fiberglass crap, and see what we can do with this front bumper to make it less whack. Might be picking up a new exhaust tomorrow, big 3-inch Canon. As well, the car's going in for sort of like a retune, just something's playing up, the fuel's sort of cutting out, but my tuner reckons it's due to the cold weather, more dense air, and the safety is put into it, it's triggering it. So we'll suss that out this week as well. But yeah, we'll see you guys at Super Cheap. Cheers. It's always very crap parking here. I had to steal a disabled spot.
I missed it.
How's the bumps, eh?
No, I think I didn't park far enough back.
No.
I was worried about the back.
Dude, every speed bump I see like bouncing. Alright, we've picked up the paint. Jesse's grabbed some fiberglass stuff. We got some sandpaper, clear coat, all that jazz. We're probably gonna stuff this up real bad, but. Oh. No! You know, be right.
What are you doing here?
I'm sanding one part of the side skirts.
Getting them all sanded up, ready for spray, set up the booth. Alright, so it's time to paint. I'm currently mixing up some primer, but got a measuring cup. These are all sanded and been cleaned of oils. Doesn't look like it, but somewhat. We got the rest of the pieces here hanging, ready to get painted. We've made our paint booth, so we're just about to drop it down. Hopefully it goes to plan. So we've set up our paint booth now. Oh, this is a pretty good job. We're locked in now. Stop painting, I guess.
No! The fucking fuck. What do I do? Can you get me a wipe or something? What happened?
He dropped it.
The hook came out. Yeah. Fuck. Oh, get fucked. Surely we just paint over it.
You can drop this one? Yeah. These two in primer. The fallen wing over there. Two little ones. We can probably bring them both in.
Yeah, bring them both in. Oh, be quick. Can you move this one? Yeah, take that. I don't move this over. That's a nice palm tree.
It is a nice palm with the sun on it.
Yeah, it looks sick.
Very cool.
Wow.
Alright, last two. I can see paint in your nostrils, eh? They're like all white, the insides. What about mine?
Yeah. Oh wow. It just makes your hair stand out of your nose, eh?
It's all painted.
You painted your nose hair.
This is why you wear masks. We've just mixed up some paint and thinner, 50-50 ratio. Chuck it in the paint can and test it on the wing we dropped.
Test on cardboard first.
Ah yeah, test on that. Got our light set up for a battery now.
It's on the dog.
So we got the technique down now. Not seeing too much of a difference on the clear coat yet.
Just out of curiosity, mate, feel a bit better. I'm gonna run down and just try it next to the car.
I'll come with you.
See what's going on?
Odyssey.
Odyssey. Oh, that's not the right colour at all.
Here's the big reveal. It doesn't have clear coat, so it might not be as glossy. It just doesn't have, it's just not glossy. It does look like a different colour. But I think it's just not glossy.
Not glossy. Well, hopefully the clear coat fixes that.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold it. I don't know about the fitment, but we kind of didn't test the fitment before we decided to sand and prime.
You live, you learn.
Jesse's left me to my own devices, carrying everything a bit, you know, stacked up, but and bring these down to the car. I'm halfway through putting the new exhaust on. I've got half the dump pipe on. It really sucks putting exhaust on these cars because the dump pipes are really like tight to the firewall and turbo, so get the exhaust on, slap the new skirts and that on and see how she looks. Chee-hoo. Alright, we've got the exhaust on. Dump pipe here, down there, all the way through. Jesse's taken off the wheel so we can get to the back end of the side skirts and chuck them on. Big boy cannon, nice and sexy. Varex system. No, I'm saying. But exhaust went on pretty easy, other than the dump pipe. Oh, there's a wheel. Give it a good wash, I reckon it should be alright.
I reckon so.
When I wash the car. How long do you reckon till I rip them off?
Well, I haven't ripped mine off yet, so I reckon you have a good chance.
Seen the way I drive? Jesse, what are we doing?
Just putting the skirts on.
Alright.
Skirts are on. Well, skirts are. What do you think?
I think we've done a very good job. This is a very last minute overhaul on the car. I just told Jesse, I'm like, yeah, no, I'll get an exhaust this weekend, paint the skirts. But we've done a very good job. It's only, what's the time? I think it's 4 o'clock on the Sunday. We had a very long weekend. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we finish the other side skirt.
We're just that kind of texture in the dog gym with self-tappers because we don't really know.
Send it.
But it seemed to work. Very nice.
The side over.
It's alright, that's the only... You know, see? I think we're good. That's the part that joins over, right?
Yeah, it's gone.
No, it's fine. That's the part that joins over. Hold up.
Holding.
Turn the door on, Jess.
Turn the door on. Oh, this bloke.
Open it.
It's open.
Close it slowly. Don't do what I did. Yeah.
Don't do what I did. Are you happy?
Yeah. No, not really. Lucky that's the part that overlaps, eh?
That's it. I like your shoes.
Thanks. I
Look,
got
they got
pom-poms.
little ball sacks hanging off them.
That's what I said.
Bit of double side stick tape on the wang, never hurt nobody.
Alright, you ready? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm pretty good.
Get the dog down.
Start.
Decision made.
Couldn't get a phone call.
Oh, that's a bit fucked.
What?
That side. That side doesn't look the same as that side.
I think it just sits up more. I don't give a fuck. She's down. Yeah, like, how do we push this down? It's nice under either. Not bad.
I'm actually pretty happy. Oh, my eyes still hurt. Rust through the floor. So hard. Good?
Oh.
Just sweet. Keep coming. Keep coming. That's influence.
A lot of your dad's things still, am I? I'll jump in there.
Thank you guys for watching next week's video. Fiberglassing this crack, respraying this. Hopefully we can do a better respray than that, but wings on, all done. So,
Thank you guys for watching the video. Like and subscribe as always. Smokey Films here, Bush Mechanics, you know what's up. We'll see you guys in the next video. Chee-hoo.